15 ways to make money online. 1. Freelancing. Whether you're a programmer, web developer, graphic designer, social media specialist, writer, editor, or personal assistant, the following websites could bring you great extra incomes: Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, 99designs.com, Textbroker.com, PeoplePerHour.com. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. By recommending other people's products and simply getting affiliate links in front of a target group of people, you earn a commission on every sale. Clickbank.com, affiliate-program.amazon.com, cj.com, apple.com/iTunes/affiliates, partnernetwork.ebay.com, bluehost.com/affiliate. Number 3. Video marketing. Make no mistake, creating a viral marketing video or short film is a huge business opportunity. If you can get a loyal following on your channel, you can drive traffic to fit your goals. YouTube.com, Metacafe.com, Dailymotion.com, Vimeo.com/on-demand/start selling, Videodirect.amazon.com. Number 4. Site and domain flipping. Like real estate, this could be a fast way to make a lot of money by purchasing and reselling websites and domains for profits. Here are some of the leading marketplaces: Flipay.com, Cedo.com, Websitebroker.com, FEInternational.com, ExchangeMarketplace.com. Number 5. Joining social influencers. This is a trending new way to make money by showcasing your Instagram or YouTube profile to prospect advertisers. Here are some of the leading social influencers marketplace: Influence.co, Famebit.com, Tribegroup.co, Shoutcart.com/page/start-selling, Plughype.com. Number 6. Start a blog. Blogging on your passion, cooking, or hobby is another great way to monetize from advertisers, affiliate programs, and sponsorship. Here are some of the leading advertisers to generate steady incomes: Google.com/AdSense, BuySellAds.com, AdMarketplace.com/publishers, ChaseClicks.com, AdClerks.com/publishers. Number 7. Sell arts, crafts, and homemade products. If you are a creative, crafty type, you could easily start an online store for buyers who love unique handmade goods like jewelry, clothes, art, collectibles, and printable goods. Here are some of the leading marketplaces to sell your work: Etsy.com, UncommonGoods.com, Artfire.com/ext/sell/start_today, Zibbit.com, services.amazon.com/handmade/growing-your-business.html, Folksy.com. Number 8. Sell stock photos. If you enjoy photography, now is the best time to sell your photos online. From large corporations, small and medium-sized businesses, to bloggers, graphic designers, marketers, and publishers buy and use stock photos regularly. Stock.adobe.com, Shutterstock.com, Alamy.com, Photoshelter.com, iStockPhoto.com, and TourPhotos.com. Number 9. Self-publishing on Amazon. Self-publishing paperbacks and ebooks with Kindle Direct Publishing is fast and free. Your book could reach millions of readers on Amazon and Kindle stores worldwide in 24 hours. You can earn up to 70% royalties for each book sold. Another Amazon service, Audiobook Creation Exchange, can further turn your books into audiobooks and earn up to 40% royalties per download. kdp.amazon.com or acx.com. Number 10. Website app testing. Testing websites and apps is not only fun, but also an awesome way to earn some extra money every month. You get to improve websites and apps with your feedback, and getting paid $10 for 10 to 20 minutes of work is pretty good. Usertesting.com/be a user tester. userfield.com/tester-FAQ, userlytics.com/tester-signup, enrollapp.com, app.playtestcloud.com/signup. Number 11. Print on demand. Thanks to disrupting e-commerce, any creative person with a computer and a good idea can now make a living by designing their own stuff, having it printed on demand, and selling it globally. Here are some of the leading print-on-demand websites: Redbubble.com, Printful.com, Sunfrog.com, Society6.com, CottonBureau.com, Teespring.com, CafePress.com, DesignedByHumans.com, Threadless.com. Number 12. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a multi-billion-dollar industry and could be a great place for you to grow your money. When it comes to investing, it pays to do research. Many of the companies on this list below allow you to manually choose the loans you invest in or pick an autopilot investment strategy based on your financial goals. LendingClub.com, Prosper.com, Upstart.com, StreetShares.com, Fundrise.com, FundingCircle.com. Number 13. Teaching online. Teaching a course or a tutorial is not only a rewarding opportunity, but also a great way to earn royalties from teaching videos. Computer classes and technology are very popular online courses. Here are some of the leading online teaching websites: Skillshare.com, Udemy.com, CreativeLive.com, TutsPlus.com. Number 14. Use money-making apps. Thanks to smartphone, there are quite many legit apps that let users earn cashback or rewards for doing small tasks. Here are some of the leading apps for making extra income: Dosh.cash, surveys.google.com/Google Opinion Rewards, iTunes.apple.com/US/app/surveys on the go, iTunes.apple.com/US/app/sweatcoin sweat for coins, ibotta.com/get the app, Bituro.com/app/views, ReceiptHog.com, FOAP.com/photographer, and GetPay.com. Number 15. Start an online store. Selling stuff online is always a great way to make money, but you'll want to determine the ideal venue for your goods. Here are some of the leading places to sell online: eBay.com, services.amazon.com/fulfillment by Amazon/benefits.html, Bonanza.com, Shopify.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring videos.